Hello everyone, this is the Picking Bass Player. What I'll be showing you today is another Master Lock padlock, model 141D. Like the Brinks padlock I picked in my last video, this is another one from a mixed bag of locks recently gifted to me. This is another pin and tumbler lock with 4 pins, and it's another lock with a non-removable core. Here is what the key looks like. So, the key is actually something I want to talk about today. With this specific key, this first cut is so low that we probably don't even need to touch it. And the second cut, which is just a little bit higher, is actually at just the right height that when I'm setting number 3, I'm gonna set number 2 at the same time. With this standard hook anyway. With a different pick, the same thing might not happen. And this other guy I can get without touching any of the others, number 4. So the pour bitting on the key has essentially turned this into a 2-pin lock. Of course, not every 141D has pour bitting like this one does. I guess I just lucked out. So I'm going to open this a few times to demonstrate how only the rear pins need to be picked. I will be using bottom of the keyway tension because we've got a nice open keyway and a standard hook. So start from the back. Alright, find number 4. Set. Just get it under number 3, and there we got it open. And let's do that again. So start from the back. Find number 4. I think we got him. Oh. There we go. Alright. That one didn't go as well. Let's do that 1 or 2 more times. From the back. Get our number 4. Get him set. Under number 3. And got him. And 1 more. Actually, I think I might have set him just by pulling the pick underneath of it. Alright. So, that should be enough for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. And once again, please remember, pick locks, not bases, and only pick locks you own which are not in use. Goodbye.